Hello, and thanks again for joining me, Ken the Wiz. So today, I want to take you to the last part of customizing our Google Chrome. Remember in our last series, we were talking about customizing Google Chrome, where we actually customize our Google Chrome from the customizer icon. And today, I want to take you a bit further on how you can revamp your Google Chrome homepage. To get started, load your Google Chrome. Then from Google Chrome, search Chrome Web Store. Chrome Web Store. So Chrome Web Store has got two functionalities here, the extension and the theme. These are two tools that are very powerful when it comes to customizing our homepage background. Above it, you have the search bar. This will actually give you the link to searching whatever item you want from the Chrome store. For example, maybe you are a Chelsea fan. You can just search Chelsea theme or Chelsea extensions. From here you can see from the list we have Chelsea themes, Chelsea, then we have the themes here. The difference between a theme and extension is very simple. An extension has related images fused together so that when they appear in your background they come at different intervals, while a theme has got only single image. As you can see, for a Chelsea, this is just a single image. If you want to change to a different thing, maybe you just come back to search. Maybe you like things to do with cartoon, or maybe anything of your choice you can choose. For example, let us do cars. We have these different cars. You can do for Ferrari, Lamborghini, Audi, BMW. So let's take this one for BMW. You can see from here your Google page will appear like this. The next will appear like that. Wow, 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 wow. Looking very nice. Very, very nice. Guys, if you decide to use this one as your extension or as your Google extension, just come to add to Chrome. Once you click on to add to Chrome, this is an extension, remember, so it will prompt you to add as an extension. You just click on to add, give it some few minutes to load. Here it is, it's downloading. As we wait for it to download, there are some other ones that are downloaded, so you just, for you to activate it, you just come to settings from the three buttons here, settings, then we have the extensions here, extension. So I'll just show you how, as we still wait for this other one to download. I already have basketball extensions, and they also have the Mercedes-Benz. Oh well, this other one has already been installed, and you can see how it look. You can now see, and you can change the images from here. When you open another tab, another car will show. Another one, that's other one. Look at how, and the search bar is already here. So whichever thing you want to search, if you want to search your email, maybe Gmail or Yahoo, just search Gmail. Look at how nice the background looks like. Looking very nice. Looking very nice. Wow. Look at that vintage car. Looking very nice. Yeah. So guys, that is how you customize your Google Chrome by use of extensions or theme. If you want to remove the extension, just go back to settings, extension. So from here you can activate it by this small button here, or you can remove it. Like the one I've just downloaded, the BMW is here. It is already showing it's active, so I can remove it and maybe activate the NBA. You'll see once I reload my page. If I reload my page, you now see my page has the basketball theme, which you can as well change from here. The image you want to be displayed. These are all the images contained in that theme. They will come at their own specified time. If you open another tab, it will come with a different image. Guys, that is how you can revamp your Google Chrome homepage. Just a quick